Alright guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about a lot of things. I have few products to unbox, but I would like to start off with the Apple event. Yes, the Apple event is finally happening on the April 20th. We all predicted that this Apple event will happen in March, like it always does. From last 10 years we have this event happening in March, not in April, but we were all proven wrong by Apple. I guess everything is different this year, so we have an event in April. Jonprosser even lost his eyebrows because he had bet that if this event doesn't take place in March, he will shave his eyebrows off. But he was the first one to say this might even happen in April, and I was one of the first one to cover that. And here we go, we have a Apple April event. I had already made few videos about this topic and covered all the leaks and rumors of the products we might see in this Apple event, like the new AirPods 3 with a little bit different design, the new iPads with a mini LED display, and the AirTags. Link to those videos are up in the pop-up banner or in the description below, so guys please do check them out. With that said, Samsung has also announced their event which is gonna take place on the April 28th. It's called the Galaxy Unpacked 2021, and they are claiming the most powerful Galaxy is coming, which too I think it's gonna be the new Galaxy Fold. I will make a follow-up video once all the events have taken place, and we'll find out which products came to life and how much we were right. So please do subscribe to the channel. And now let's start with the unboxing. Alright, so we have a couple products to unbox today. One of them is the echowallclock. This is a smart wall clock from Amazon, and it can be controlled by Amazon Alexa or any other Alexa enabled devices. It's pretty cool. You don't see a lot of smart wall clocks around. This is one of them. It's kinda gimmick, but I got one. With that, we have a W King portable speaker. It's a pretty good speaker, 50 watt, like JBL, but with a fraction of price. It has a very good sound quality, but you don't pay big bucks for that, like how you pay for JBL, but you definitely get a good results. Alright, now let's unbox the W King. The packaging is pretty straightforward, very simple, no BS around. That's what you expect from a speaker. Once you open the packaging up, you see a W King paper with that. Pretty cool. With that you see a couple more things like the USB-C to A cable. With that you see a couple of paperwork like user manual and the warranty card. With that you see the speaker straight. It has a weight to it, but I don't mind because it's so much powerful. I think it's important because it has a big speaker in there. With that, I am really loving this design. I have become a fan over time now. I really like it. It's pretty sturdy, feels good, well built quality. I had another 808 which I used to use it. Was it waterproof? I guess. Went in the bathtub, never turned on, so I had to get another one. I was gonna go for a JBL, but then I decided to go for a W King. And I think I made a right choice. And with that you get the user manual, pretty useless. With that you even get a warranty card, this might come handy. And finally you get a charging cable, and yes, this time it's USB type A to C, no more micro USB. I'm pretty happy about it. With that you get the speaker itself. I'll be covering all the features and the specs about the speaker in this video, so please stay tuned. Alright, now let's open up the echowallclock. The packaging is pretty straightforward, pretty simple, no BS. That's what I like about it. Once you open the packaging up, you just find three things in there. Just three things. The echowallclock itself. With that you get a user manual. The user manual in this case might come a little bit handy because this is something unique. You don't find a lot of smart clocks or smart wall clocks around, so this might come a little bit handy. With that you get the echowallclock, and behind that you have the batteries. It comes with the batteries, that's pretty good. Amazon basic batteries included, that's a pretty plus point. Alright, now let's talk about how to set up the echowallclock. For that you will need an Amazon Alexa device, and you just have to say, "Hey Alexa, set up my echowallclock."
Okay. Press and hold the pairing button on the back of your echowallclock for up to 10 seconds until the light on the clock's face pulses orange. Pairing may take up to a minute, and your echowallclock is paired. The light will pulse blue for a few minutes as your clock is set to the same time as your Echo device. The hands will start and stop several times during this process. Once the time is set, try setting a timer, or ask, what can Echo Wall Clock do?
The setup process might take few minutes, so be patient, but once it's done, the blue light will turn off so that you can know the setup is completed, and then you can try it on. Like, hey Alexa, set the timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
You can do few more things with the clock, like setting up multiple timers, but let's see what Alexa has to say. Hey Alexa, what else this Echo Wall Clock can do?
Echo Wall Clock is an Echo companion that lets you see your timers at a glance. Use your voice to start a timer with your compatible Echo device and easily see how much time is remaining on your clock. The clock can display multiple timers and show visual animations for your reminders and alarms to keep you on schedule. To learn more, visit amazon.com/echowallclock.
But as I said, it's pretty cool, pretty nice, but kinda gimmick. Rather than have a dumb clock look at you all the time, have a smart one. It can come handy sometimes, depends on your needs. But as you know, I'm a tech savvy, so I gotta have one, and I got this. So here you go. Alright, now let's talk about the specification of the DAW King portable speaker. It's a really premium speaker with a really good build quality, has a nice and good powerful bass to it. This one has a 50 watt of output with 8000 mAh battery. You can even use this speaker to charge other devices just like a power bank. Has a NFC and a Bluetooth with it. With that has IPX5 rating. And you can just get this speaker under $100, way cheaper than the competitors like JBL offer for the same range. I'm pretty much loving it and I highly recommend it. Alright guys, so this is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe this channel. Around 32% have still not subscribed this channel. So please go and hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share this video, and I will see you around.